Hello everyone, MSRNDA8000 here, and today is Wednesday, November 24th, 2021, at 6:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, and this will be the 7 p.m. quadruple test on WXK85. So, yeah. Now, the only radios that are going to go off are 12519, both WR300s, the WR100s, 12250, and the WR120. Actually, the WR120 is not going to go off.
Mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers until midnight, then mostly clear after midnight. Colder. Lows in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 20.
Yeah, now I am going to try something. Copyright. Okay, that's not what I want. I'm gonna put the zone guard on 9:30 a.m. So, yeah.
Lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Sunday night, clear. Lows around 40. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Monday night, clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Tuesday night. You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.